Hey, what's going on? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about blue light blocking glasses. And so there's a couple, I've got 3 different pairs here that I'm going to be showing you today and talking about them and explaining why I got them, why I think I need them, why you might be interested in them. So let's get right into this. Basically, here's the first pair that I have. I've already been using these for probably a week, and I think they are huge and I look a little ridiculous in them. So these were the first ones I got. These are a company called GUNNAR. These are Intercept. And so these ones I got at Best Buy for 50 bucks. And I really like how they work. I just don't like how they look on my head. And basically blue light blocking glasses, if you're not familiar with them, they're also called gaming glasses or computer glasses. Basically, they have this yellowish tint. Some of them don't. One of these other pairs I've got does not have a yellow tint. The yellow tint blocks out more blue light. And so these ones in particular block out 65% of the blue light and 100% of UV light. So you do want some blue light because it's what helps your circadian rhythm work properly and your sleep schedules and all that. Where blue light gets bad is after a certain time of day, or if you spend a lot of time in front of the computer and you're just staring at a screen all the time, it can mess with your sleep cycle. And so these are supposed to help also ease eye strain and headaches if you're in front of a computer a lot. So that's why I got these, because I'd been noticing, like, you know, my eyes kind of bugging out after sitting here for a while and my sleep schedule's been a little off. So I said, I'll give it a try. So I got these, and like I said, I just think I look silly in them. So I ended up going on Amazon because I was trying to just get these quickly. I got them at Best Buy. So I went on Amazon and I got the same company. This is GUNNAR again. And these are Onyx is the name of these ones. And then I've got some kind of generic Blue Cut is the name of the company. And these ones are a clear glass. They don't have the yellow tint to them. So I'm interested to see what these all look like side by side. The GUNNARs were also 50 bucks. The Blue Cut ones were 25 bucks. So these were half price, but these don't have the yellow lenses, and they're not like a reputable company as far as these go. GUNNAR's like the company, I guess, if you're gonna be looking for these without spending a lot of money. Because there are companies that make glasses that are supposedly better quality. Like, these are really good quality from everything that I've read, all the reviews, but then there's like a whole nother level up, but they're like $90 to, you know, hundreds of dollars. You can get them prescription. I mean, it's pretty amazing. So anyway, let's open these all up and see what we're dealing with, and then I'll try them on and show you what they all look like. All right, so I got my 3 packages here, and obviously these ones are the ones I've already got open, so I don't need to open those. I'll go with these other GUNNARs first, because these are the ones that I'm really interested in. And, all right. I was wondering why the packaging was different, but it's not. It's just inside there. Although it is a little different. It doesn't show anything. Pop that open. All right, and in the box, same thing was in here too, is this little card. It just talks about whatever. I'm not really sure what it says. It talks about all the different stuff here. Not happy? Give us a call. Happy? Leave a review. And there's a nice little pouch that it comes with, and glasses cleaning cloth. This is a really nice feeling one. And it says GUNNAR on it too. GUNNAR, GUNNAR. So there they are. Let's see what these ones, oh, they already seem like they're gonna look better. Ah, yes, I like these better. They seem like they fit my weird skinny face better. Versus these ones. And if I look at them with this overhead camera down on there, you can see they're about the same width. Now, something that I found really interesting was on GUNNAR's website, they have the specs for all of these. And online they have them too. So they show how wide they are, how tall they are, how big the bridge of the nose is. I mean, there's all sorts of information on there. So I was able to, because I had these, I knew what dimension I wanted, and I believe it was like 135 millimeters wide. And I liked that. The other ones were all bigger, and I have a very narrow head, so this is what I had to go with. But these are the kind of style that I was really hoping for, so I like them. Hey, if you're getting anything of value out of this right now, go down below, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. All right, back to the video. All right, let's check these guys out. Cool. So I've seen this before in some of these. There's this little card with this little laser. See that? So what you do is, this is actually a nice little pouch here. Wow, they even covered that up too. So these are very similar to the Gunnars. They're like the same style. Man, they are really similar. They are almost the exact same thing. The Gunnars are kind of glossy, and the blue cuts are like a matte finish. These Gunnars feel more robust. These feel a little chintzier, which, I mean, they were half the price, so of course they do. They do have like a reverse, whatever you call it, so it won't break. Do these ones have that too? No, these don't have that. So the Gunnars, the more expensive ones, don't have the hinges that go the opposite way if you've got a fat head or whatever. These do. So I don't know if that's good or bad. No, right off the bat, they feel lighter on my head. They also feel crooked on my face. I don't know if they are. And these ones just feel better on my head. I don't know why. I don't know how to explain it. I like the glossy. Just looking right at them, you know, you can see they look very similar. These have 3 little dots, which I'm not loving, but whatever, they are what they are. And hopefully you can see that the Gunnars, this hand, are the amber tint, and the blue cuts are clear, so no tint. And maybe if I put them on, you can see that on my face. I can tell there's a reflection of this light there too, and my monitors. So these are the clear ones. The reflection almost looks blue in my screen over there, but I don't know. Now, yeah, these almost feel like I don't have anything on. Like there's not much change when I put them down. They're pretty clear. These ones definitely make the screen turn a little yellow. So yeah, so that's what comes in the box. So if we're comparing all 3 of them, you know, I would say that, like I said, I don't like this big shape, but you might. I might just keep both of these. I'm not really sure yet, but I'm definitely keeping the Gunnars. I want the more protection. These I just bought as an experiment to see how good the cheap ones were going to be. And I will say that based on, you know, I've had these for about a week, maybe a little longer, and I've been wearing them every night when I'm working on the computer. And when I put them on, I don't notice like a huge difference other than the color changes. But when I take them off, when I'm sitting here and I'm like, you know, I just like lift them up, all of a sudden my computer screen is like blinding to me. I can't, like, it hurts my eyes to look at it. So that alone tells me that it must be doing something, as subtle as it is. I don't notice it when it goes on, but I notice as soon as I take them off, it gets very like, oh my God, that hurts. So yeah, so I'm digging them. I'm gonna keep wearing them when I'm working on the computer, and yeah, looking forward to it. So I'm not sure if there's anything else I can really say. There'll be links down below to all of these if you want to check them out for yourself. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which ones you like, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. So blue light blacking glasses are good for anyone who uses the computer a lot, or monitors in general, phones, anything like that. And they help to, that's Piper. She's gonna make noise right now. Let me let her out.